Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the RAW file in Camera Raw and choosing the image or images you want to reset. Once done, verify the profile setting because that affects baseline color and tone. Make sure you have the primary panel visible, then select the image thumbnails you'll reset. You're doing this now to ensure subsequent resets apply predictably. This first step sets the context and prevents surprises. It's faster than undoing inconsistent changes later, and ensures a clean baseline for the next actions. You now perform the reset itself and choose the scope you need. Click the Reset button to return every slider to the active Camera Raw default. This is immediate for the selected images. If you need a global factory baseline, go to the menu and choose Camera Raw Settings, then Reset Camera Raw Defaults. That reestablishes the application default for new imports. For targeted corrections, right-click a panel or slider and pick Reset to clear only local or specific adjustments while preserving others you want to keep. You finish by confirming the reset and saving a consistent state. First, inspect the histogram, white balance, and profile because resetting can reveal exposure or color shifts that need minor tweaks. Then save metadata to XMP or export so the reset persists into Lightroom or Photoshop. If something goes wrong and sliders don't revert, clear the Camera Raw cache, and if necessary, reset Camera Raw preferences in Preferences. That usually fixes corrupted defaults. One key tip: restart the app after clearing preferences before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.